Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
She says she posted something on Slack for homework 5. So I'm just reading it right now.
Oh yeah. What did she post? I thought you were talking about the mail which she sent. Why she posted in Slack? She's saying we have to comment the line, right? And the 2 feature files.
Yeah, if you transfer them over from homework 4.
What?
It says to reuse the feature files from homework 4, and if you're doing it, comment some lines out.
Mm. What are we supposed to do now?
Remember how when we submitted, we have like a submission error?
Remember what?
When we submitted on the auto tester with a submission error?
Huh?
Yeah, we should try to fix that.
When we run the coverage?
No. When we
No,
submit it
I'm
on
just
EDX.
yeah.
Yeah.
And on the coverage, it's giving 66.67%, right, for the movies underscore helper and the controller file. So
Uh-huh.
even that should be 100%.
Yeah, everything should be 100%, I think.
Mm.
Oh,
Yeah.
for the movie underscore helper.rb,
Uh-huh.
uh, line 4 is not checked. So
9. Okay.
I'm guessing we never used it.
It's not checked. Mm-hmm. That should be there, right? I mean, we can't comment that.
Hmm? No, you don't need to comment it out. You just need to like use it in a cucumber test
Counter or
or like RSpec test.
hmm. Numbers or
Also, when we run RSpec in our terminal, we have 0
hmm.
examples, which I think we're supposed to use RSpec for.
What?
We use RSpec in the terminal.
Hmm.
It says 0 examples. So I think we're supposed to do something RSpec also.
Okay. We have done this, right? Use the match syntax for routes as suggested in non-resource based routes in section 4.1 of ESAS.
Say it again.
In the assignment document,
Mm-hmm.
she has mentioned, right? At the least, you will need to write tests to drive the creation of a RESTful route for find similar movies. So hint, use the match syntax for routes as suggested in non-resource based routes in section 4.1. I mean, we have done that.
Use the match syntax for routes as suggested.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so. You can also use key to specify definition of variety. Do you know where our RSpec file is?
Aspect file.
Uh-huh.
Rspec.rb.
I think that's just configuration. Don't we need like
I
RSpec
don't.
test?
No, no. No. What do you mean by this? Remember to include the line require Rails underscore helper at the top of your spec.rp files.
Can you share a screen?
Yeah. And see?
Yeah, I see.
Yeah, that's fine. You've done this.
You want to?
What is this? Any file that ends with spec.rp.
Yeah, that's what I was asking you before, like where our spec file is, because it's going over deadline. But the only RSpec file that I see is rspec.rb and nothing else.
Yeah, there's no other file. You're not included in that there. We need to include.
I think so.
Oh, try. Did you find that match syntax anywhere?
From the section 4.1 of ESAS.
Yeah, I'm not finding it anymore.
I'll check it right now.
Yeah. It's okay. I need to generate. You probably
I found it.
okay. Where are you supposed to add it?
What's the question again?
Where do we add that? I mean, this route,
Or find similar
you will
movie.
need to write tests to drive the creation of this.
Let's see if you can compare similar expression.
Steps.
Hey, does running
Yeah.
cucumber still works for you?
What works?
Just running cucumber.
It's running. I'll try. No, it's giving some depreciation warning.
Yeah.
What do you need to do for this? Depreciation warning.
Yeah. Looking on GitHub for that. Yeah. It was working before. I
Uh,
don't know what changed it. What's the latest thing that you added?
uh-huh.
What's the latest thing that you added to the file?
To any file or
Yeah.
I don't know. I just did this, which was mentioned. I hadn't added this. Require simple coverage
Alright.
in the file spec rails underscore helper.rb and feature support environment.rb. I did that, and then this, the one which I showed, require rails at spec.rb. Also, I added in the spec file.
Which spec file?
Uh, rspec.rb. The require rails underscore helper.
I should try to comment that out for now, and I'll try running Cucumber again.
Hmm.
Okay, it works without the require Rails helper thing.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Um, I say we should just focus on our submission errors,
Hmm.
because we follow the instructions again, we don't know what we're doing wrong in the first place.
Yeah.
At columns, movie string.
We've done this, right? Add column method of active record migration.
One second. Where? At method. Oh yeah, it's in the db migrate 2013 file, I think.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Did you create that file?
No.
Oh, was there created?
Yeah. Oh, I think this one I created the 2013.
Uh-huh.
There was just one file before, right? 20, the one above.
Yeah, 2011.
Yeah.
Define version. Echo. Hmm.
Initially, we added the column part in the this 2011 file, right? Add column director.
2011.
Is the add column?
Yeah, we can try to do it on the column one.
Hmm.
Yeah. I don't think that's a problem though. The problem from our submission error says that duplicated column name director.
Duplicated column name director.
Yeah.
Oh, is it because in that 2011 file,
Uh-huh.
line number 8, we have T dot string director.
Oh yeah, that could be it.
Yeah.
Uh, wait, uh, test that.
Yeah.
I think we should submit the file. Wait, I'm gonna run a cucumber test first.
I'll run.
No, I'm running a cucumber test to see.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Okay. What's that command to? Okay, no, we gotta zip the whole thing.
Mm.
They should integrate
Mm.
the auto tester within like these files, so we don't need to like download and submit.
Mm. You want me to do that?
I'm doing it right now.
How much do we get? I mean, we're getting a 0.
Yeah, we were getting a 0 before because of the duplicated column name, the thing just
Mm.
stopped executing any
Yeah.
further.
Yeah. Right. Oh, so not even, it's not even 50%. I thought it would at least come till 50.
Yeah. I think once we fix it, we might also need to run
Mm.
rake db test prepare to load the
Yes.
new migration.
Mm.
I'm not sure if I should do that. Oh, we got a 60 now.
Okay. You want to run the command again, the rake db test prepare? Or
Uh,
should we just
yeah,
leave it?
sure. It says this is a bundle problem, but
Mm.
is there a way for me to show you my screen?
Yeah.
Uh,
Yes.
I haven't used Google Hangout a long time. Share screen. Do you see my screen?
Yeah. Okay.
So we got a 40 out of 40 on this one.
Mm.
So I
We have a
think,
60 below.
uh-huh. And then we got 0, 20
Okay.
for this one. Control coverage too low.
Mm.
Control. I think this is just to add more coverage. So we can worry about that later.
Okay.
Then this one, we have no R spec test. That's
Yeah.
why. So that get 20 points back. And I think once we have the R spec test, our coverage will increase more.
Increase. Yeah. Right.
So we just need to figure out how to write our R spec file.
I don't know this. I mean, where's the aspect thing?
I'm not sure also.
Yeah.
I think we're supposed to write our own R spec file.
What in that? What do we write in that? The test?
Yeah. Mm. Is there an example on a Kindle? R spec.
No, I don't think so. You have any other assignments to do?
Um, I think database is due on the Monday, Wednesday that we get back.
Okay.
That's about
Any
it.
project work
I think the
apart
project
from
is
SE?
database. Yeah,
Oh, you have database.
yeah.
What's your project this time for database?
Um, things for like write a program a GUI for SQL commands.
Okay. So it's like the student registration system, or
Yeah, I haven't looked into it yet, so I'm not too sure.
there's an example for the R spec anyway in Kindle.
Yeah, looking at, I don't see anything.
You're seeing it on Spark?
No.
No. It's nowhere in section 4.
Mm-hmm. Um,
Yeah.
9.19. By
Mm.
wait, I think I found link for it. I found. I'm gonna link it on the IDO C9 page chat.
Uh-huh.
That's the example that they use in the book.
Mm.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we should have two,
Yeah.
4 R specs in total that we should write.
So you need to create new files.
Yep. Uh, so I think under
Spec.
spec, yeah,
Yeah.
we need to create a file for. Uh, how do we add new files in?
Huh?
How do you add new files? Oh, no, I see it.
Okay, wait. Spec. Yeah, right. Just rename it.
We'll rename it movie controller
.rb
uh, underscore spec.rb.
underscore spec.rb.
Spec.rb or rspec.rb?
Just spec.rb.
Just
Underscore
spec.rb?
spec.rb. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
So here's one. And I also think we need another one for movie models.
Models.
Yeah. If movie underscore models underscore spec. Okay.
Okay.
And it says put require
Hmm.
Rails helper on top.
Rails helper. Ah, right.
So there's one.
Hmm. Also, right. This one.
Oh, so I'm guessing the format goes like describe.
Hmm.
What was the example say?
Movies controller.
Describe movie controller.
I think there's no bracket.
No bracket.
Yeah.
The example uses a bracket,
Oh, okay.
but I don't know what to put for function.
Hmm. You'll write like describe movie controller and then do or do something
Mm-hmm.
that way. Yeah. So there's no bracket. Then.
Yeah. And now we describe the things that we want to test, right?
Okay. So in this we have find movie with same director and all that.
Yeah, one specified movie has a director, so find
Hmm.
movie director.
Hmm. And movies.
Describe any quotes for this.
Yeah. Single quotes.
Single quotes. Find movie
Find movies with same director. So sorry, same director.
same director and do.
Yeah, so you will have to show all the movies that share the same director as the displayed movie. Okay.
What do I type?
I don't know it. So let's share the same director displayed movie.
I think it starts with it.
If huh?
It right?
Wait, it yeah. Then in quotes something. I don't know what to write in the quotes. Then do
Oh no, this is controller. So
yeah.
I
So
should find movie with director blah blah blah.
what?
Because for controller, you need to write when the specified movie has a director, it should,
Hmm.
and when the specified movie has no director, it should.
Hmm. So it should call that method, right?
Yeah.
Which we have written.
Find movie with same director should be in the models one, not the controller.
Are you sure?
It says it on the assignment.
Assignment?
Yeah.
Hmm. Controller method. Click on team. For example, it's a movie that is a subject of match, then you're trying to find movies similar to. I think it should be in the controller, right?
Hmm?
Because here it's written right in the assignment folder, the assignment doc, a controller method to receive the click on find with same director and grab the ID, for example, of the movie that is the subject of the match.
Control method to is to click on find same director. Oh,
Hmm.
but when you read the one below,
A
the bullet
model
point below,
method in the movie model to find movies if the director matches that of the current movie. Implies you should write at least two specs for your controller. So some movie has a director which is the same model by the same director. And it's not find movies for different directors. Okay. It's up to you to decide whether you want to handle the sad path of no. Okay. So you want to do it in model?
I think so. Um,
Okay.
so then
Yeah.
the describe find movie with same director. Delete this. Describe. What is it? The movie has director.
Has yeah.
The movie has director. It should return the name of the director. I'm guessing.
Yeah.
Then we do something.
Then again do.
Okay. Do
Then movie dot what's the method now? To get the name of the director? Movie dot. Hmm.
I'm not sure this is correct.
It's okay. What's given in the example? Find Where have you written all these
I think the
on, yeah, in the steps that are be?
the
No.
fine is under movie.rb.
Okay.
Uh,
Okay. And under,
what? We don't have a fine method, do we?
no, we have similar. Okay.
Wait, no, self-defined RB. What do you, no, we do have to find.
Where is it? I'm seeing the movies underscore controller that RB, but in there we have show in def index, new, create, update, destroy, similar.
Where do you get fines from on movie.rb?
There's no method as find, right?
No, you used it on line 7.
Where is it?
Line 7 of movie.rb under models.
Movie.rb. Okay, I haven't written one for this then.
Is it an application? Nope.
Mhm. I don't know, it must be somewhere.
Actually, if you look at uh,
Mm.
controllers, movie underscore control.rb, there are methods that use movie.find.
No, wait. Okay. Yeah, in okay. You don't need to define that, maybe. The movie has such a definition. Should we please write a skeleton for this? The way we wrote Fine with same director.
Mm-hmm.
So we need to write it for others also, right?
Yeah.
When when there is no director.
Mm-hmm.
There's no director. There's no director. The name of the director. The movie has no director.
Mm.
What do you do when the movie has no director?
I think we have a thing that adds director name, right? Do we?
I don't remember. I think in this it should then redirect, right, to that the way we have written in other files, redirect to movies underscore path or whatever.
So when it has no director, it should redirect to what?
Wait. In one of the files, yeah, there's redirect to movies underscore path.
No, I don't think so. Because I don't think that's how you write a RSpec file, are you? You're not redirecting to anything.
I don't know.
Or
Then what will it do if it has no director?
we're testing it. So if it has no director, we should be able to add director, no?
I
Or
add the director.
like what should? Mm,
What is she written in the doc folder?
the top folder
Movie.
doesn't say anything because it's up to us
Yeah.
to like how to test
How
it.
to handle it? No specified movie. So you want to add
Yeah, but I'm not sure if can you still add director even if
info
it has director.
to do.
Yeah, that wouldn't work because that's a scenario that adds director to an existing movie.
Okay.
Yeah, so it wouldn't make sense to like
Hmm.
add. Okay, it should return null when
Hmm.
uh, I'm basing this off from the
Hmm.
cucumber test.
Okay. And
I'm
also she's mentioned, right, a controller method to receive the click on find with same director and grab the ID of the movie. What's that?
uh, I'm just using this for reference. So this
Huh?
is when it has a director. You see how this part?
Yeah.
Yeah, it should return null when
As when no director info.
yeah. This should this should return.
No, why not?
So just better with towards this.
Are you understanding what to do?
Huh?
Are you understanding what to do?
Yes and no.
Huh?
I say yes and no.
I'm not understanding anything. I mean, what after this? I don't know. What to add?
Actually, I'm not even sure. Because the
Have you
scenario
thought
to
about
add director to existing movie implies that
Hmm.
I'm not sure if this movie already has a director or it does not have a director.
So it's up to us, right? If a movie has no director, then what to do?
Yeah, but in order to test it, I'm not sure the logic behind this scenario. Like, in order to add a director to a movie, does it
Hmm.
require it to have no director in the first place, or it doesn't matter?
Hmm.
Because depending on that, it depends on how we
Hmm.
write our test.
Hmm. What are the other this when the specified movie has no directors?
We can
It's
always
like
like look
movies
through the controller file and see what method we can use.
controller file.
Hmm.
It has nothing relevant. It has show, index, new, create, update, edit, destroy. So no use.
Oh, we can use this part. Line 57 to 63 on controller.
57.
Uh-huh.
The
Has,
similar.
it says has no director info.
Mm.
Uh,
But it's again redirecting, right?
yeah, but we don't say redirect on.
We just call this. Oh, I mean, yeah, okay. We can try.
Oops.
Similar
Similar.
from
Ooh.
movies underscore control. Oh, okay, whatever. Control.
Okay, I'm not sure how to write the rest now.
Okay, it should call that. You need a get for this or nothing. It call controller method. That's similar. Do.
I think we have to like actually call the similar method.
Movie not similar
Uh-huh.
with no argument. Are you sure that's how we do it?
I don't think so.
Yeah. Do movie not similar. You're sleepy.
Yeah.
What time you woke up
Woke up at 10.
and slept at?
3?
What do you do till 3? Study?
No, nothing. Okay.
Need an end here. No. Why is this giving an error?
Uh, you're getting error? Where?
Unexpected.
Oh, because the line's not finished, I think.
Mm. But even this describe will have an end, right?
Yeah.
No.
Uh, movie. How do you call simile?
How do we call?
How do you call the methods from controller?
Oh,
So,
wait.
yeah.
Got it?
Which one movie? Can you use true false in.
True, false?
Uh-huh.
Why do we need that?
Wait, So no, we can just expect it. Uh, expect.
Film director. Okay. Do we have this movie.director.empty?
Yeah. You look at models movie.rb.
Okay.
Let's say if not movie.director.mt, then you do that.
Mm-hmm.
Else,
Hmm. Return movies.
uh, a different way to state it is we call find with same director, and then
Hmm.
we expect the else return statement. But I'm not
Right.
sure how to do that.
Hmm. Is that how you write the statement?
I'm not sure.
No, that's not how you write the expect statement.
Can you fix it for me?
But you can see my screen.
Uh, that's good. That's good.
You can.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Can you fix it? So
Oh, so over here they've written expect assigns
that
something
equals.
or expect subject.
So we just expect our thing, and then that equals true.
We don't have a true false. Wait.
Can you go back to the example before?
Okay. Which one?
Uh,
Below?
this one's good.
Okay.
Expect assign records that two equals true. That two equals. Is it underscore equals or
Unassigned. Like that.
space equal? Did this look right?
Just a second. Yeah, I guess. Yes. It's not giving any error. So,
You need to run RSpec.
hmm. Want me to run it?
Yeah.
Okay, R spec. Oh no, one error occurred outside of examples.
On the error.
Syntax error in this file. Unexpected end of input. This one. Line 17.
To describe to. Do we need end every describe?
It's saying expecting keyword end.
I think for every end we need.
I
For
think
every
this
describe we need
describe.
end.
Yeah.
Do we need end for should?
Hmm. I don't know. Does this describe also need to be ended?
Huh? And
Yeah.
try now.
It still gives an error.
I think every do needs an end.
This is for this one. Right.
Just try now.
Okay, right. Again, one error. Describe movie controller to describe an name error uninitialized constant movie controller. Line 3.
I'll put quotes around it. See if it works. Try now.
Okay. It has two errors.
Okay, that's better.
Name
What
error.
name error for or method movies?
Hmm.
Okay. Of the first one. Name error for method director. Okay. 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 So the second one, I think, is a capitalized movie. The first one is there's
Hmm.
no. We can mirror the second one, so we can just do
I think we
expect.
need an ID, right, for this.
Yeah. I'm gonna try this first. That director dot mt question mark type 2e. Very makes sense to me, but let's try this first.
You're running it.
Can you run it? Because our spec is not working for me for some reason.
What? I don't know. R spec. No,
Okay.
the same. It's no method error, undefined method director.
For both?
Line, yeah, both.
Okay, so
Mm, it should be small m only, I think.
small m. When I use small m, it gave us an
Hmm?
error before. Uh,
Yeah, I know. But I don't think it's capital also. Method missing undefined method. And if you do this again. It's again a name error.
mm.
You will define associated group and put it inside of post underscore spec.rb. It can't be called from inside vote underscore spec.rb. You have a couple options. You can copy this as a post method, put inside vote underscore spec.rb. Or you can spec help. Where you will find associated passwords. Movie, okay. Movie. Mm-hmm. Oh, I don't have those. You got it?
What happened?
Did you find anything?
Uh, no.
I was searching for this error on Google
Mhm.
and the find local variable method. So it's saying this. You can see the screen.
Yeah.
Yeah. For us, it is giving movie error, right? They had movies underscore URL. So it says place this in spec file hash protect application roots dot UR underscore helpers.
We're
Uh,
we're we're not using routes
oh
in
yeah.
our thing.
Hmm.
I think we should stick with capitalize M.
Yeah, at least the coverage is more. It's giving 6.
I think capital M should be the way to go because we weren't get undefined variable movie with capitalize M. That mean movie. Capitalize M works.
Yeah.
I probably just need to like switch up the statement.
Hmm?
Probably need to use a different statement instead of like expect director.
Hmm. Was it assigns used for?
Uh,
Um, we had seen it right in the previous example. Inside expect they had this assigns.
yeah.
What's that for?
I think you assign a variable value.
Okay. To assign instance variable dot to value. So we can take this, I mean, if you take a variable,
Mm-hmm.
uh, I don't know how will we do this, but if we take a variable and then when the director field is empty, so we'll assign it a 0 and then here we'll assign it a 1 when the movie has a director, rather than equating it to false.
Mm-hmm. What method would you call though?
I mean, we can use this only, right? Expect movie dot director dot empty. But
You can't
when
use
we
dot
assign,
director.
uh,
You can't use dot director. So you have to use a different method.
also this is wrong. This movie dot director dot empty.
Yeah, you can't use dot director.
God. So should we create a new method?
Uh, I think we should use the methods that we have. As
Mm.
some more movie.
We can call this find the same director, and
Yeah,
it takes argument, right?
yeah. Yeah.
ID.
I was planning to use that.
Mm.
Dots. I think we
Then
should use
pass
either stub or
video.
mock. Those are fine. Movie same directors. Uh,
And then it will return a 1 if it has a director, because it's anyways taking ID, right?
yeah. Not return one. We need to return the first return statement, which is
Mm.
false, right?
Which is
This is it will return bracket movie, comma movies, comma false.
okay.
Yeah. I don't think we can access movie and movies. So I'm just thinking and return.
Nil nil.
Yeah, put in nil false. I
Yeah.
think nil
Mm.
nil false.
Mm. So you don't need this expect.
Yep.
It's a hash.
I'm gonna
Mm.
comment out the second one. Try running this for now. Let's see.
Okay. Yeah, okay. One example, 0 failures. It's green.
Okay.
Till you get this depreciation warning, I don't know what it is.
Okay.
Mm.
So I'm guessing the other one should be no true.
Yeah,
Describe a movie as it's
with no
called
director. What do we write there?
I'm gonna fix this bitch.
Hmm. Fine movie with same director.
The director. It should call fine
Okay.
director and
Hmm.
turn true to empty director.
OMG director.
Movie that's the
Yeah.
fine with
Director without and return. Nil true.
try running this. This shit pass.
There's no need for semicolon here, right?
Oh yeah. To use the C++.
Yeah, I know you can use that. Also for the commenting.
Yeah.
Okay, two examples. Yeah.
Two examples. What's our coverage? Which is
0.11.
uh,
I think we need to add two more, right? Those
oh
for the
yeah,
more
in movie models.
find movies with something. Yeah. You just find movies by the same director.
Describe movie
Movies
models.
by different directors.
2 10.
Movie.
Describe do we need test for again?
Hmm? By movies by the same director. Movies by the same. Yeah, find movies by same director. To describe
Time
when
movie
movies have the same director.
when movie have two and
Hmm.
it
So here the same director.
I think the this M should be capitalized.
Yeah. What are the three arguments here? Where we have written nil nil false. Last one is if the empty director field, right?
Say it again.
The arguments which we passed previously in movie underscore controller, the
Uh-huh.
nil nil false.
Yeah, what about it?
Yeah. So what are the first two arguments for
Where are
movie?
the what?
What are the first two arguments for which fields? The nil and nil again.
Not sure what you're asking.
Okay. If you go to movie underscore controller
Yeah.
file, when we've written and underscore return nil nil false.
Hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the nil is for what? First and second.
It's for movie and movies in the fine of same director. You look at the return statement.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah.
Hmm. Okay. Dash to have the same director of it.
I think for this one we need to like I'm
Hmm.
not sure.
Movies had the same director. Here you can't use the find movies with same director.
Oh yeah, 5 movies, same thing. It, 5 movies with same director. Right?
And then I don't know what
I
about
don't
the
know what the
arguments. All movies with same director. Here we can't use the arguments, right? The movie dot stub and return.
I'm
I don't know what we'll
I'm
pass.
not sure what we passed to you.
Yeah. Do you want to return the movie names then, along with the director?
Uh, we could do that, but we should execute movie dot find was some director and then some argument and then get like the results back
Hmm.
somehow.
What do we write?
I'm not sure.
God, stop again. Let's go. Name director.
Oh, okay.
Hmm.
If, I'm not sure.
Sorry. That's right. Oh, okay. Hey.
I think we might have to use mock.
Huh?
for your thing. For your
What?
testing.
Okay, okay.
Uh, just marking movie. You see those two mark for one mark. Action.
What's that for? The
Your
mock.
it's for marking like because if you just do these two, it will give you a undefined variables.
Hmm.
Here
Right.
I'm just describing the variables that
Hmm.
marks like the internal
Hmm.
thing. Uh, uh, this should be
Hmm.
false if it has the
Okay.
movie has same director. Then it shows it has the false. Get similar. Similar.
It'll be colon. Yeah.
Not sure if I do this right.
I think get
Uh,
similar, comma,
comma
and then your ID equals 1.
ID equals one. Because similar cost this thing. So the return value of this goes into similar also.
Hmm.
Is it bracket one or curly brackets one?
It's curly brackets.
Bracket ID equals
Hmm.
one. Sorry,
And
this
I think it's
semicolon ID.
okay.
Okay, I'll probably try this.
There is no error. I don't know. It's not mentioning any error,
Uh, go up.
but just one failure. Oh, okay. No method error.
Mark.
Mock. Yeah.
Is it?
It's a movie dot or just
I
movie.
think it's dot mark.
Yeah. I think it's dot mock. Mm, but it's mock.
Wait, like, let me see the thing again. It could be
Hmm.
this mock movie. That's for mock for our spec. Okay. I think I also have another mistake where I forgot to put single quotes around these things.
I think they have a yeah. Try running.
Yeah, try now.
No. No method error. I think is it because this movie and movies are already used somewhere? Should we name it something different?
Uh, to try.
What do you want to name it? other explanation.
You will also have to change the arguments for and return
Uh,
according.
other uh, still another.
Spurs still mock.
No method error mock.
Yeah.
Undefined method.
Uh, Arspec mock.
Use double inclusive. Is it at the rate
Is it what?
over here? It should be at.
I'm not sure. Well, the variable name is not the issue. It's the method mock.
Yeah, that's what I just googled. The way they have to find mock is something different.
Oh yeah, we can try that. But
Hmm.
how come they have requires spec helper and Rails helper?
Hmm.
We could probably try require spec helper because we have both files also.
Hmm.
Try this. I think you could probably take away the at too.
Yeah.
If not, then try with the at again.
Let's try one. No.
No?
Mock gives an error. I'll try again. No. There's no other method similar to mock.
Uh, how to use RSpec mock. Mm, maybe we can do this thing. Uh,
Hmm.
uh,
T-shirts.
so
In some examples, they have written signs after the get statement.
Uh, uh, yeah, we can try that afterwards.
So if you say a sign, it's a signs, right?
Yeah, assigns. We should get the top ones working first before doing assign. Because then,
Hmm.
yeah, you want to be able to get to it. So these passwords. Try this.
No. Undefined local variable or method. Other movie. Line 8. This one gives an error. This is
Should
fine.
the same error be popping for the other movies? With the S?
Uh, try with the signs now. Signs. How do you write it? We are assigning other movie to movie.
Uh,
Signs. Movie. Comma. Other movie. Signs. Movies. Is this in quotes?
uh, I think you need a semicolon on movie and movies.
That's it.
I
Try running. Still says an error.
yeah, we have to fix the mock errors before like proceeding further.
Think this. This it should be. This will be. Movies. This. Signs. And
You will keep getting error as long
yeah.
as
What is wrong with the mock statement? That's how you write mock.
it's undefined, so it's incorrect.
So I mean, that's how you define it, right?
Hmm. No falls.
Hmm.
Get some more. Sponsors thought. Should do template similar.
Hmm.
To listen. Mm. I this.
Got it.
Mm-hmm.
Try running.
Mm-hmm.
No. Fine with same director.
A sub fine with same director. Huh? It shouldn't be because we used it before, no?
Undefined local variable method.
Fine with same director. We used the same thing in the other file. Oh, we forgot.
Hmm.
We forgot the semicolon beforehand. Can you do it for me? My thing is lagging.
With semicolon.
Semicolon at a fine with same.
Before find.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep. Try now.
No.
What's the error? Get.
Get similar ID. Oh, you.
Get.
No method. Get. What?
I'll use gets then.
Hmm?
I recommend get with the S.
It is?
Yeah.
I don't think so.
Let's try it. I recommend.
No.
Uh,
Type error. No implicit conversion of symbol into integer. Get S. So it should
do
be get only, maybe.
you have a space in between?
We had it before.
No, no. You don't have a space in between get and semicolon somewhere.
Get and semicolon.
Look at the failure slash error. You type get semicolon failure without space.
I'm not getting it. Get space. Oh, get and semicolon you want?
Get and then space semicolon. You did it without the space before.
Get space semicolon.
No, no.
Get
Uh,
S.
no. Look at the in your terminal under the red blank failure slash error.
Get S.
It's a get s semicolon failure. You did it without space in between.
Get S.
Yeah,
Which
like that.
one is it? I'm not.
Because you did it without the space in between.
It's fine now.
Yeah, try now.
No. Undefined.
The hell? It didn't show that you used the S.
That's what we did.
Try saving and running again. Because I don't think it's saved correctly.
Saved. Then you run again. No. It's again a type error.
Type error, no implicit conversion of symbol into an integer. Symbol into integer. ID. Integer.
Oh god. Did you have lunch?
No, not yet.
You're gonna have it.
Huh?
When are you gonna have it?
Not sure. You want to go for lunch?
Yeah. I mean, I'm tired.
Yeah,
Not even getting it.
we can come back later and work on it.
Um, can we do later in the evening? Or
What?
okay, I'll because after lunch I'll have to. It's my roommate's birthday, so I have to buy
It's fine.
stuff.
Yeah. We can probably work at night. Are you fine at night?
Or the night we have a party. So
Okay. We can work tomorrow then, I guess.
yeah, I'll try once I'm back from
Okay.
buying all the stuff and all.
Okay.
Okay.
Also for our like actual project for the group thing.
Yeah.
When are we meeting for that?
I don't know. No one replied for that. I put
Yeah.
Friday or Saturday. I don't know where's Hayden.
Yeah.
And then Max didn't reply
I think
back.
he's traveling,
Oh, okay.
something like that.
Ah. I think we need to do the first iteration and presentation or something.
Yeah, something like that. I won't be back until
Uh,
Sunday evening.
we'll do something. I don't know. I think Max will reply.
Yeah,
Yeah, you're replying now?
yeah.
Okay, cool then. I'll text you when I'm sitting for work.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, bye. See you.